Hello and welcome to another AIQrArt 101. Today we are going to be discussing how to finish your QR artistic step, and we're going to talk about the last 4 steps in the website. So first of all, you're going to have to come up to the top and create your QR. So there we go. Once you have created it again, you come down to the artistic zone and you would select all the information you would like. We're going to use the reality render, and we're going to use law of read-through, and we're going to enter the creative prompt of we're going to come down to the creative prompt and we're going to enter this information, and we're going to leave the negative prompt blank for this video. The export ratio we're going to keep on 1:1. We're going to change the sample count down to just 1 image. And then we have the detailed refinement steps. This indicates how many steps your AI will run to define your image. So we're going to leave it on 50 for this video. The transformation intensity. Transformation intensity determines the intensity of transformation to your original image. For this video, we are going to leave it on 0. It goes all the way up to 1, but we are just going to leave it on 0. The creativity versus accuracy balance. This determines how creative the AI will be over how accurate the QR code will be when it loads out. So if we put it all the way down to 1, that means the AI will not be as creative, and if we put it all the way up to 20, the AI will be much more creative, but the QR code may not be as successful. For the video, we are going to run it on a 7. The randomness seed goes all the way up to 10,000, and this suggests how random the seed will be. So if you left it on 1 and ran all the information and then didn't like your image, you could change it to any number you like, and it will create a completely different seed and give you a completely different result. For the video, we will just run it on a random seed of 1, and then we're going to press submit. And there you have it. Once you scan this code, it will send you to the website you have entered above. So if you like your QR art, once you have created it, you can hit this favorite button and it will add it to your favorites and save all the information you have entered. It comes in very useful, so you can remember what you would like. And that is everything for this video. Thank you for listening, and we'll catch you again next time. Goodbye.